7 key important subtopics in alkenes you must cover because JAMB asks questions under this subtopic every single year. So if you are going to write chemistry, understand that organic chemistry is one big part of what of JAMB chemistry, right? And one aspect of the organic chemistry is called the hydrocarbon, and alkenes is one family of the hydrocarbon, right? So you must see 2 or 3 questions on this hydrocarbon here. Now, you cannot just start reading the alkenes, start knowing the proper aspect JAMB normally brings every year. Just and so in this video, I'm going to break down every single thing for you. Now, first, I will give you the subtopics. Now, when you are reading alkenes, you should focus your attention. Number 2, now I've gone ahead to produce the PDF that contain questions under this subtopic. Just and I've done a proper research. I've put all these questions together under each of these subtopic. Just now I've not only done that here, I've also provided the answers to these questions. Just and I'll be giving you the free PDF, and I'll make it free. Normally I'm supposed to sell it, but I'm giving it out free. Just so the only thing I want from you, 1 is watch the end. Make sure you watch the end. But 2, now make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you have not done that. Then share this video. Just because that is the only way you are paying me for me to give you the free PDF. Just so if you stick to the end of this video here, I want to give you a simple way you can get this free PDF without you paying money. The thing here is that once you get the free PDF, now look at the subtopic there, right? Then look at all those questions. Then answer those questions. You just master those questions. At this stage, you cram it. Just but I have provided what type of question they normally ask and the answers. Just so you want to stick to the end of this video. Please share this video if this video is helpful. Now, based on the reaction I get on this video, I can go ahead and put for the alkynes, for the benzene, for the alcohols, for the ketone and aldehyde, and for the carboxylic acid. Just I'm going to put those videos for that so that it will help you to cover the organic aspect very, very fast. Just if this video is helpful, please kindly give it a like. Let's get into it. So first, let's look at what the 7 subtopics you must see in the alkenes, right? So please pay close attention here. The first one is introduction plus hybridization. Now you must understand what is the hybridization, right? What is the other name of the alkenes? The general molecular formula of the alkenes, right? Now the type of hybridization, right? Remember, alkenes are sp2 hybridization. Do you understand? Another thing you want to know here is that you must be able to identify the sp2 in an organic compound. Just so that is the first thing you need to know. Next thing to know is the nomenclature. You must know how to name alkenes, right? Alkenes have a double bond here. So you must know how to name alkenes. And guess what? I've done a complete video on nomenclature of the alkenes, right? If you want that video here, you like make sure that you want the video on nomenclature of the alkenes. The next you want to look at is the isomerism. Now, JAMB normally asks questions on isomerism, and there's one type of isomerism in which alkenes undergo. It's called geometrical isomerism. So, if you are reading organic chemistry, you must under the alkenes you must understand what the geometrical isomerism we call the cis and trans. Now, I have provided some questions in the PDF that are going to be of great help to you. You must understand what the isomerism is very well, which is what geometrical isomerism called the cis and trans. Just now after that here, you need to understand what's called preparation. How do you prepare alkenes? Preparation. And there are 2 main types of reaction you can use to prepare alkenes. One is called dehydration, that is removal of water. Next one is called hydrogenation. These are things you need to cover very well when it comes to preparation of the alkenes. You also have what called cracking. Cracking is one aspect you can use, or one reaction you can use to prepare alkenes. Now, next you want to look at what is the reaction alcohol, which is the main stuff, right? You must understand the reactions of the alkenes. Just and they will ask you what is the main reactions of the alkenes, and the main reaction of the alkenes is called the addition reaction. Now we have called the combustion reaction, we have called the addition reaction. Under the addition reaction, we have so many of them. Just we have so many of them. You must learn, you must master all these things very well. Now after that, we have what called addition polymerization. Addition polymerization. So once you are done with the reactions of the alkenes, Next thing you want to do here is what is test of the alkenes, test of what unsaturation. You must know the various tests in what unsaturation, because JAMB normally asks this kind of question in the exam very well. You need to understand it very well, right? Now the good thing here is that I have placed all the questions that I've asked under this aspect very well inside what a PDF. So if I continue here, if you want to get the free PDF to these things I just say here, not just the topics here, it contains the questions and the answers to this question. And it also explain further. Just that if you want the free PDF, you only write message that you want the free PDF. You only write message you want the free PDF, and I will send you the link directly so I can go download this. You understand? You're not paying any money for that. So here we have our test of the alkenes, right? And there are two major tests you need to understand very well. The last one is called what? The uses of the alkenes. What are the alkenes used for? You must understand these things very well, because JAMB has these things in the examination. Just that. So these are what subtopics under the alkenes you must cover very well, because these are aspects JAMB normally asks every single time. Not only JAMB here, all other exams like the WAEC, the NECO, and some other institutional exam. JAMB these are points they normally ask very well, but I'm streamlining the PDF to JAMB examination. Just that. So if you want a free PDF, you write message that you want the free PDF, and I will send for you. Now, if you want me to produce more video like this for the alkynes, for the benzene, which is the aromatic, for the carboxylic acid, leave a message that you want video like this. Now, I've not only produced video like this, I also produce the free PDF on each of these functional group here, so that you can things, so you can know these things, because some of these questions here you are seeing, you likely see them in the JAMB examination. Just now. So there, I'll conclude this video here. If this video is helpful, please kindly like and share this video. Also leave a comment section if this video is helpful, right? So if you want me to produce more videos like this, also leave a comment section, right? Thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe, kindly subscribe to this channel, so that whenever I draw a video like this again, you will notify that a new video of your uploaded, so that you'll be notified. Do you understand? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.